In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to remove iMessage guys from iPad. So right now I'm mirroring my iPad screen on my PC. So don't get confused if and don't get guys. So to turn off or to remove iMessage guys, you have to just go to your settings. So can you see your settings? Just tap on settings. And now in your settings guys, you have to look for messages option. Is there message option? I saw some settings. So yeah, I found the settings. You have to scroll down guys to the bottom, and here you will find this option iCloud. Tap on it, and now from here you will find this messages option. Tap on it. And now guys, you have to just tap on this toggle to turn it off or to remove guys from here. So messages in iCloud, so you can disable and download message, or it's up to you completely guys. Just tap on this disable option to disable it completely. Right now in iCloud there is no message. So this is how guys you can disable the messages, iMessages guys. I hope you like it. This subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.